Mojang, you need to explain this to me. How can I shoot through this little tiny gap in the stair without it hitting some type of hitbox? And then it's the same thing with these lecterns, man. That gap is insanely small. Then we've got grindstones, bro. Dude, the gap keeps getting smaller and smaller, and somehow the arrow still makes it every time, man. And don't even get me started on anvils, bro. How am I able to shoot through an anvil, man? At this point, nothing makes sense anymore, because then I come down here and I can literally shoot an arrow straight through a solid oak slab. Like, wait, how did I even miss that? But you're telling me I can shoot an arrow between two solid honey blocks with zero issues. Yet, when I try to shoot through these fences, the arrow gets stopped by literally nothing. If you think Mojang logic is stupid, then like the video, but if I'm just dumb, subscribe.